In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET MAUI application to Oracle database using dotConnect for Oracle. You have the option to choose between a free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts 30 days, providing access to all features. It's not for commercial use and doesn't require a license key. To begin, simply download the installer from the DevArt website and install it. If you decide to buy the full version, your activation key can be found in the DevArt customer portal. To get started, you need to create new MAUI application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up properly. Keep in mind that the dotConnect for Oracle provides direct access to Oracle without the need for an Oracle client. It also supports connection methods like SSH, proxy, and more, offering greater flexibility. Once the connection is live, expand the Oracle connection to see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect its fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's get the necessary components. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, then select the NuGet Package Manager. Search DevArt Data Oracle and click Install. Your project is ready to work. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script that checks the connection to your Oracle database. The video's description includes an example of this code. First, let's define the structure and layout of the application's UI. Next, we need to create application logic. In this script, we'll set up the Oracle connection string, which includes essential details such as the host, service name, user ID, password, and license key. This application connects to an Oracle database. Upon launch, it establishes a database connection and displays status of the connection. The application retrieves the first rows from the table. After setting up the project, we will run the application to ensure everything works correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.